In this video, I will show you 5 best sites where you can earn by watching videos or ads. These are all stages that have previously paid me, and have paid me in 2024 as well. So if you are keen on that, do stay with me for the rest of this video as I'll be taking you through them and showing you what you can expect. Assuming you are new here, many thanks for joining us. Welcome to the channel Way to Success. I share information on how to make money online, and I truly consider joining our family by subscribing. Also, give this video approval if you find it significant. Without wasting any additional time, let's continue with the present video. Alright folks, so I've published a considerable number of videos sharing ways for making money. I will tell you how much you can make cash by watching recordings, by watching promotions. It seems like you all love that sort of content, and that is why I decided to assemble this video to show you genuine stages that are still paying in 2024. So, these are among the absolute best stages that will pay you for watching recordings. Now, having said that, it's also essential to understand that this is a part-time job that you want to do if you simply care about additional cash, as it isn't hard work. Furthermore, how much money that you're going to be paid will also depend on that. So, as such, it's not a strategy that you want to use to quit your job or start a career or anything. It is for when you really want additional cash, that sort of a part-time job. So, the first site that I will share with you is available overall. The name of the site is Cointiply, and you'll find it on Cointiply.com. You also see here that they don't just offer you video observing opportunities. They have online surveys, they have different offers like game offers and application offers. They have a day-to-day free spin, they have the watch video feature. If you're based in the UK or the US, this component will be available for you. The opportunity that we are searching for is this one here, where they express paid to click, PTC, promotions. You essentially come here and select this tab here, View Short Promotions. You will arrive on a page that seems to be this. So, you'll see here that they have various types of PTC promotions that you would be able to be paid to do. To start watching these PTC promotions, you select View here, and guiding you to a website is going. They will set a clock for you where you need to remain in that advert or stage for a specific time frame. And when you return to the stage, it will ask you to approve your click, select the right thing, and accept your sum. This is a genuine stage that has previously paid me, and it is paying individuals overall. And of course, it is an incredible method of finding new stages that can pay you too, so I totally recommend it. The fact that I rave makes the accompanying site one about a lot. It's going to pay you for watching recordings in various channels, in various stages. Also, it's available overall, and pays you every single week. So, every Thursday, they will send you cash. You can get compensated to your ATM account, PayPal, Trailblazer, SCR, as cryptocurrency, and many others that you get to find once you get to the stage. It is, as a matter of fact, Timebucks altogether to watch recordings for cash here. You want to arrive at the End tab and select Content here. You then select this Center tab that is brought Connect over here by clicking this YouTube Connect here. They will show you step-by-step instructions on how to install this stage so that whenever you watch recordings, you get compensated for that. However, this is an incredible opportunity. They have $250 every day for video watchers in this stage. On average, they will pay you around 0.004 per video, which means there's a considerable amount of recordings to observe to make a significant sum. Here's one more method for bringing in cash by watching recordings. It involves heading to the Task tab, and as you scroll down, you'll see potential opportunities for watching recordings, engaging with YouTube channels, watching advertisements, and a lot more. The next site also pays well at this point. With this one, you must be on their application to get the video watching potential opportunities. However, let me show you the stage. It's called Paid Work. You'll find it on paidwork.com. For every one of the sites, I will leave you guys links in my description box down below, so you see as the right one a lot quicker. Okay, folks, so now I'm in the paid work application, and in the End tab is where you track down the different completion opportunities. As you'll see here, you can earn by messing around, completing surveys, watching recordings, online shopping, microtasks too, where you'll be paid for making content, visual communication, composing articles, and a lot more. However, the opportunity that we're searching for now is watching recordings. Basically, select the End button, and you will arrive on this page here, where they have this Fiber tab, watch recordings here, and whatnot. You want to do is select watch recordings, and you'll see that quickly I observed a video. They will reward you when you are finished watching video, and as you can see, a good outcome when I've finished the video. They create some points. And yes, folks, you can watch the recordings again and again here. The next site that will pay you is not really going to pay you for watching recordings. However, I believe it's an awesome stage because they have a lot of video valuable opportunities. They're available overall, and they've been paying individuals for many years now. So, let me show you the various types of video valuable opportunities that you will see in the stage. I'm in the Gig tab in the application, and as I look down here, you'll see that they have unique sorts of chances. They have surveys, photograph catching, video creation opportunity, and more. Good folks, so on to the final one, but before I share with you this opportunity, let me take this moment also and thank you for watching this video. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining us. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, truly do consider joining our family, making a route for 5,000 Dawan supporters by subscribing. Also, give this video approval if you find it important. To all my reliable allies, my family, my posse, much thanks for your steady support. Let's investigate the last site where you can bring in cash by watching recordings, and this is an unbelievable one. It's a genuine one. So, these are the platforms that have paid me for watching videos or ads online. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.